First, peel one medium potato and grate it finely. Add 150 milliliters of milk. Now added the grated potato in the milk. Then cook the mixture on the stove for 7 to 8 minutes. Stir the mixture continuously until it forms a creamy paste. Transfer the mixture into a jar. Allow it to cool. Now make cream paste with blender. Then puree and strain through cheesecloth to get a smooth cream-like paste. From the leftover residue, you can prepare a scrub by adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mixing well and applying it to the hands, feet, and neck. Rice flour brightens and polishes the skin, while honey locks in moisture and protects against dryness. Use this scrub 3 to 4 times a week. Leaving it on for 25 minutes before washing off for soft, radiant, and healthy skin. This forms a natural potato milk. Potato is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and dullness, while milk gently exfoliates and deeply nourishes the skin. Provides soothing relief, making the cream suitable even for sensitive skin. Cream that can be stored in a clean container in the refrigerator for up to 4 to 5 days. Get smooth, soft, and wrinkle-free, glowing skin.